Signals.
What up, Trusted Signals, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over Divergence, the oscillator Divergence, and one of our go-to tools that I'm always talking about in the easy strategy videos. We're going to go over the auto oscillator Divergence in depth to answer a lot of the questions that I get recently about the oscillator Divergence. So by the time you're done watching this video, you're going to fully understand how the oscillator Divergence works so you can implement it in your trading and get those sniper entries. And if you're interested in winning a lifetime of Trusted Signals, stick around to the end of this video so you can participate on the giveaway and win a lifetime access of Trusted Signals. Auto oscillator Divergence. So this is what the oscillator is doing. It is giving you the cheat code and finding out bearish or bullish divergence. There's different types of divergences that in the beginning of my trading in the early years, I used to pull up this cheat sheet all the time. So instead of pulling up this cheat sheet and looking for these bearish or bullish divergences, Trusted Signals is going to do it automatically for you. So there's regular divergence, hidden divergence, and exaggerated divergence. Normally without Trusted Signals, you would have to compare the RSI and the actual price using only your memory, your eyes, and your analysis to find these points in the market. And what it basically shows is possible reversal points. So here at Trusted Signals, we went ahead and did it so it could be done for you automatically. Eliminate the guessing game and get results like these. Let's go ahead and dive into this, and we're going to use GJ as an example. You could use this strategy with only using the auto oscillator Divergence and support and resistance within the Trusted Signals main indicator. This is something that you don't necessarily need the signals for, but having that extra confirmation is going to give you the upper hand. But in this example, we're just going to use support and resistance and the oscillator Divergence. We're going to start off with the most recent movement of GJ, and it was this short on the 4 hour. That was good for 116 pips. Here you could see that Trusted Signals made this bearish divergence, and again, I see that this is the most effective on the 4 hour. So if you use this on the 4 hour charts and wait for that setup to come to you, you will guarantee get those sniper entries. For example, look at this. The RSI is clearly going down, but notice that price is actually moving up. So starting at this point right here, this peak is this peak on the RSI. This higher high is actually this on the RSI. Now, this higher high is this on the RSI, and so on and so forth. If we go here on the RSI and go up, it's another higher high. So let's draw a trend line going up, seeing that price is moving up in a uptrend and the RSI oscillator going down in a downtrend. Like I said, normally you would have to figure this out on your own, but Trusted Signals is going to do it for you automatically. Downtrend right here and uptrend right here. So this is hidden divergence, bearish divergence, indicating a possible turnaround. What you want to look for is having a resistance line together with the bearish divergence. Trusted Signals does need to calculate this information, so by the time that price got around here, you would have seen these two and then later on this third one, which happened right around here. What you want to do is use the auto support and resistance together with the oscillator and wait for price to accumulate at these high points of the market where you could see that price is up above this RSI zone together with the resistance line, and then go in short depending whether if it's a bearish or bullish divergence. So if we would have been here in real time and seen this one already created and having price doing the opposite, it is safe to say with this resistance line that happens in real time, we could go ahead and enter short. From here down to the previous resistance line, which is right here, just a couple pips right before, and that would have been good for 143 pips. That take profit would have smashed, and it could have been done again right at the retest of this resistance line, still having a bearish divergence, because here you could tell that the RSI is moving down from this point to here, and look at the divergence right here, having price leveled out equally and having the actual trend of price being flat right here. So that right there would be exaggerated divergence, bearish exaggerated divergence. Then going short again at that point, that is another perfect entry for 93 pips. And in this example, we have regular divergence, and you could see that this is a bullish divergence that was done from this point. Price is going downwards, but the RSI is going up. So by the time you're here in real time, you would have already had this bullish divergence. And just look at this, having this entry right here at the bullish divergence and taking it to the previous support or resistance line. So we could use this one as reference or this one as reference. This could be our first take profit and then our final take profit. Our first take profit would have been 290 pips, guys. The second one would have been here 450 pips. Smashed and smashed. So using the support and resistance as entry points or exit points together with your bullish or bearish divergence. Let's go ahead and look at another example, which is right here. We can clearly see that this point is lower than this point. But having this bullish divergence, you can clearly see that the RSI is moving up when in actuality the price is doing the exact opposite. So this is a fake out, making a lot of retail sellers thinking that it is going short, seeing price move down, when actuality there are bulk buy orders being placed right here, which is then making the sellers lose their positions, making the sellers get stopped out and having the bulls take over the market. So again, let's go ahead and get this trend line to show how it's moving downwards and having the RSI moving upwards. Right around here in real time, we would have had this bullish divergence already show. This support line would have been made right around here, and having together the support and the bullish divergence is a green light go for the entry. Going long right here, and again using this previous support line as reference to take profit. So what I normally do, instead of putting my TP exactly at the support line, I would bring it just a little lower, just a couple pips, and that would be my take profit. And sure enough, price smashes the TP based on this previous support line, and that would have been good for 169 pips, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Now let's do another example right here, which is absolutely perfect. We have another divergence that was done here on the 4-hour, and clearly we could see that price is moving up and the RSI is moving down. So with the RSI moving down, price moving up, seeing this resistance line, that would be a perfect entry for a short. And again, using any one of these previous resistance lines as your TP. Again, I don't put it exactly right here, so I'm going to put it just below, and boom, that is 295 pips in the bag. Let's go ahead and cover another example. There's just so many examples that are absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one right here. Again, price is moving upwards, but the RSI is moving downwards. We have the bearish divergence that would have been created automatically. By the time this one was done and this one yet hasn't appeared, we could still see price moving up and waiting for the RSI to come back up to this high point on the 4-hour and going in short. Let's say right here you entered short, and then using this previous support line as your TP, and bam, it smashes again, 287 pips. So now that you understand what the oscillator is doing, you can then watch the previous videos where I show oscillator divergence and the ADX filter together, and a whole bunch of other videos to figure out what strategy works best for you. Remember guys, Trusted Signals is designed to work around each individual trader because each individual trader is different. So using our tools, you you can figure out what works best with you and using our videos as a reference and tweaking it from there with your own personal preference. This strategy might work better for others than most. Each individual is different, so I highly suggest going through each video and sticking with one and figuring out what works best with you. This one works really well for me. I use the auto oscillator divergence all the time with trusted signals, together with support and resistance, together with the buy and sell signals, and that is just what works for me. So what I love to do at Trusted Signals is provide as much information around our indicators to help the trading community make money using trusted signals, at the same time sharing my trade ideas like this one that was shared on January 10th. Right after I posted the Fibonacci video, I saw that there was a perfect setup happening on GA, which I broke down step by step how to use the auto fib, and I told everyone to go in short on GA. Then the next day on January 11th, we had a perfect movement to the downside. I let everybody know, hey, it's time to put your stop in profit, close partials, and then the day after, it absolutely smashes the TP, which paid out 110 pips. So this is what we do at Trusted Signals, guys. Not only do we provide the indicators, not only do we give you the information on how to use the tools, but we also provide our trade ideas for you to catch the same moves that I'm personally looking at. We do this every single week, so it's entirely up to you to take advantage of what we provide here at Trusted Signals and become part of the community. Now for the lifetime membership giveaway. We are giving away a lifetime membership to one monthly subscriber every single month. So if you're a monthly user watching this video, or if you are not set up with Trusted Signals, get a monthly membership and follow these easy steps, and you just might be the lucky winner to get a lifetime access for absolutely free for the rest of your life. Here's one of our members that submitted his video, and by the way, he is the only one that has done it thus far for this month, so he might just be the winner. If you don't participate, he's gonna be the first runner up to win a lifetime membership. And all he did was post a video on his Instagram, tag Trusted Signals, hashtag Trusted Signals lifetime membership giveaway, tagging us and telling us why you love Trusted Signals. Now listen to his submission.
Let's go. Let's have a look at the trade. Yeah, I bought in a buy. I jumped in on a buy signal earlier, and the divergence was looking good for Shiba Inu. So I'll just have a look. I'll just show you guys on the laptop why Trusted Signals is effective. Losing to winning. Right, let's have a look. I'm on the Binance platform over here. Let's have a look. Shiba Inu was looking good on the divergence, and I bought in around midday when I was in work today. So I bought in around 2.8. It was the higher low, and as you can see, it just shot straight up, and still going. I'll just give you guys an idea how much it's going up. It's gone up 381%. So Trusted Signals showed me where to enter.
And there you have it, guys. He's up 300% using our indicator and using our tools. That is one of our members showing us how he is profiting using our tools, and submitted his video to win a lifetime access of Trusted Signals. So you can go ahead and do the same. Become a member if you're not already a monthly member, and submit your video to win a lifetime access. It's that simple. And for those that are already a member, you can go ahead and do the same. Submit your video, tag us, and hashtag the lifetime membership giveaway for your lucky chance to win the lifetime membership. Thank you so much for everyone who has tuned in. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any upcoming content. That's all for now. Trusted Signals, let's go!